So what is Kidney Community Kitchen? It's a dedicated website full of renal recipes for persons living with kidney disease. If caught early, chronic kidney disease may be able to be managed, and this would help to delay or prevent kidney failure and reduce the risks of other complications. And diet is a considerable aspect of the management of kidney disease. The goal of the Kidney Community Kitchen is to empower its users through information and resources so that they can take ownership of their condition and manage kidney disease to the best of their ability. Kidney Community Kitchen aims to make food and cooking as easy and fun as possible for a population that's been told many foods are off limits. Kidney Community Chef Chris Gaudette is here to share with you a variety of creative and delectable kidney-friendly recipes that are tried and true from his own kitchen. And Chris Gaudette should know because he himself is a kidney patient currently on dialysis.